Word count is a common activity among writers, and Microsoft Word automatically does the counting job for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to count the number of words in Microsoft Word. The status bar is very useful when it comes to statistics for your Word document. By default, you can see the number of words your document contains on this bar. This word count is the number of words in the entire document. Now, you can also select a portion of your document's contents, and Microsoft Word will show you the number of words in the selection alone. However, if for whatever reasons you can't see the word count on the status bar, no problem. I'm going to illustrate how to display it. You can show and hide the word count on the status bar of your Word document. If you can't see the number of words your document has on the status bar, it means that it is hidden, and to see it, you need to take some steps in order to show it. First of all, right-click on the status bar of the document. This dialog box will appear. Click on Word Count, and that's it. As soon as you click on Word Count, the number of words in the document will now show on the status bar, as you can see here. Now, let me show you this technique. If you want to see more statistics for your Word document, such as number of lines and paragraphs your document has, click on the word count that is located on the status bar. As you can see here, everything is displayed. Now, aside from using the status bar to see how much words your document contains, you can also use the Review tab for the same task. Under the Review tab, in the Proofing category, the word count command is available there. So the alternative way to show the word count in Word is to navigate over to the Review tab, then come to the Proofing category here, and then click the word count command. When you click on the word count, the word count dialog box will appear containing the number of words your document has. The dialog box also shows some other statistics for your document, including the number of pages, characters, paragraph, and also number of lines. These are the available ways you can easily show the word count on Microsoft Word. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. It really means a lot to me. I need you to do one more thing for me. Please subscribe to this channel. Also, make sure you turn on the notification for this channel. This way, when I release more videos in future, you will get notified.